Hello, I'm Jessica Amir for the Finance News Network. Joining me now over the phone from junior oil and gas explorer Pancontinental Oil and Gas is CEO and Executive Director John Begg. John, welcome back.
Hi, Jessica.
So Pancontinental have just announced a 3-well fully funded drill program. How does that set you apart from other junior companies?
Well, Jessica, we've adopted a portfolio approach to managing our business. That's where we've got multiple projects where the commercial outcomes are independent one from the other. We're funded for all of those projects. We're carrying them out now at a time where many companies are not doing anything much. So we're spreading the risk for our investors. And if you were to look at it, the 114 listed oil and gas companies on ASX, you'd find that there's less than 10 that have got activities across a portfolio that are funded and are capable of moving the dial for those companies. And that goes from the biggest companies to the smallest. So from a junior company perspective, we're in an elite company.
How does that improve the company's and investors' chances for success and added value?
Jessica, the oil and gas business is a numbers game. What you need to be doing is carrying out enough activity to ensure success. Enough, when I say activity, it's not just any activity, it's enough high quality activity. And as I've described in your previous question, activities that are independent one from the other. So you truly have a good statistical chance of success. Now, in the case of the assets that Pancontinental is taking forward, we're not only providing a spread of risk for the company and our investors, but we're also hedging ourselves against the commodity price because we're very active in a low-cost gas exploitation environment, while at the same time, that's in the USA and onshore Perth Basin, while at the same time, offshore Namibia, we're in a very high-profile, large-volume potential oil play. So we're covered, and if there's a response in the market to the oil price, we'll be ready. In the meantime, we have an excellent chance of commercialising from any successful drilling we do in the California and Perth Basin gas projects.
Thanks, John. Now, can you tell us about the timing of the drill programs and who your partners are?
Well, we're already underway with the first well in the program. It's called Dempsey number 1. Things are going very well there. We've already found gas in the shallow target zones. Just today, I believe the operator has announced we're seeing more gas shows in the deeper targets as we go down. So that's going very well so far. In October, we expect to spud another well. This is on the very large Telania gas discovery in California also. There we're partnered with California Resources Corporation, who are the largest gas operator in the state. And that well we see as a proof of mechanical concept well after there was a discovery well drilled about 2 or 3 years ago that couldn't be tested for mechanical reasons. And then, of course, in Namibia, we're partnered with Tullow Oil, perhaps the premier explorer for oil in Africa. So a key element of our projects is being in very good partnerships.
Just diving into one of those drilling programs now, early results from the upper targets of Dempsey 1 drilling are already in. What's the significance of those results?
At Dempsey 1, we're targeting a very big structure. It's very broad down at the deeper levels. We believe in this basin, the dry gas migrates into these deeper, large structures, and then it links up faults and other conduits up to the traditional shallow producing layers. Now, at Dempsey 1, we've already drilled through those shallow producing layers. We found gas there. We expect to have pay zones there. We've now drilled a bit deeper, and as the operator has just announced to the market today, we're seeing good gas shows in the next target down. It gives us confidence in our theories that the main gas reservoirs are beneath us in the well. So far, very, very good. Clearly, we're on top of the structure, and we've got many more targets to drill where the structure is bigger and where we hope the main gas resource is hosted.
Last question now, John. If the drilling all goes to plan, what's the upside for Pancontinental Oil and Gas over the next 6 months?
Well, every project we're in as well is potentially transformational for the company compared to where our current market cap is. Each of these projects has the capacity with success to drive a multiple of the value of the company. And in each case, we've got follow-up opportunities locked up. Some of those we haven't even spoken about yet, but these are not one-off drilling opportunities that we're participating in. We have other projects on trend, so that if there's any success in any one well, we have follow-up potential for growth.
Well, John, thanks so much for the update and good luck with the drilling.
Yeah, cheers.